Welcome to Serene Shelter, your haven for all things tidy and organized. Today, we uncover those often overlooked nooks and crannies that deserve a little extra attention. We often focus on the obvious sweeping floors, wiping counters, but true serenity comes from addressing every detail. Join me as we shed light on these 7 often forgotten areas and discover the simple joys of deep cleaning. Let's create homes that spark joy, from top to bottom, inside and out. As we illuminate our homes, let's not forget the very things that provide that light, our light fixtures. Over time, dust and grime subtly gather on these fixtures, dimming their brilliance. Imagine a sparkling chandelier, its crystals catching the light and casting beautiful reflections. Now picture that same chandelier veiled in a layer of dust, its sparkle dulled. Cleaning your light fixtures is a simple act that brings an instant refresh to your home. Dust buildup can obstruct light output, making your space feel dimmer than it should. Regular cleaning ensures that your light fixtures are shining brightly and efficiently. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes. Our appliances work tirelessly to make our lives easier, but when was the last time we showed them a little love in return? Dust, crumbs, and grime can accumulate behind refrigerators, ovens, and washing machines, creating an environment where mold and mildew can thrive. Take the time to carefully pull out your appliances and clean behind and beneath them. Remember, a clean appliance is a happy appliance, and a happy appliance serves you better and lasts longer. It's easy to forget about our garbage cans. After all, they're designed to hold unpleasant things. However, neglecting their cleanliness can lead to unpleasant odors and unsanitary conditions. Regularly emptying your garbage can is just the first step. Take the time to rinse it out with water and a mild disinfectant, paying attention to the bottom and sides where spills and leaks can occur. A clean garbage can not only eliminate odors, but also helps prevent the spread of bacteria and pests. It's a small act of cleanliness that makes a big difference in maintaining a fresh and healthy home. Our windows provide us with views of the outside world, connecting us to the beauty of nature and the bustle of life beyond our walls. Yet the tracks that allow our windows to glide open and closed are often overlooked in our cleaning routines. Over time, dust, dirt, pollen, and even insects can accumulate in these narrow crevices, hindering the smooth operation of our windows. Use a vacuum cleaner with a crevice attachment to remove loose debris, followed by a brush and soapy water to scrub away any stubborn dirt. Imagine the satisfaction of effortlessly opening your windows, allowing fresh air to flow freely into your home. Clean window tracks are a small detail that makes a big difference in maintaining a clean and inviting living space. The cabinet under our sinks often becomes a repository for cleaning supplies, sponges, and various other necessities. While this space serves a practical purpose, it's easy for it to become cluttered and disorganized, leading to a sense of chaos beneath our sinks. Take a moment to declutter this space, discarding expired products and items you no longer use. Consider using baskets or containers to organize your cleaning supplies, making them easy to find and access. A clean and organized under-sink area not only creates a sense of peace of mind, but also makes cleaning tasks more efficient. You'll be amazed at how such a small change can transform a cluttered space into a functional and serene part of your home. As we move through our homes, our eyes are naturally drawn to eye-level details. However, some of the most neglected areas reside above our line of sight, the tops of doors and picture frames. Over time, a layer of dust can accumulate, dulling the beauty of our doors and frames and impacting the overall cleanliness of our homes. While it may require a step stool or extender duster, taking the time to address these often forgotten areas is well worth the effort. A soft cloth or duster is all you need to gently remove dust and restore a sense of freshness to your home. It's a small detail that makes a big difference in maintaining a truly pristine living environment. Our mattresses provide us with a place of rest and rejuvenation, but they can also harbor dust mites, allergens, and other microscopic particles that can affect our sleep and overall well-being. Regularly vacuuming your mattress is essential for maintaining a healthy sleep environment. Use an upholstery attachment and move it slowly and methodically across the entire surface of your mattress, paying close attention to seams and crevices where dust mites like to hide. In addition to vacuuming, it's also important to air out your mattress regularly. A clean and fresh mattress is essential for a good night's sleep and a healthier home environment. As we conclude our journey through these 7 hidden cleaning spots, I encourage you to embrace the transformative power of a truly clean and organized home. Remember, serenity is found in the details, and even the smallest acts of cleaning can have a profound impact on our well-being. What resonated with you most from today's exploration of often forgotten areas? Share your thoughts and cleaning triumphs in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to create homes that spark joy in every corner. Until next time, may your homes be filled with peace, order, and the simple joys of cleanliness.